Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Claude desktop app on your Windows PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides. The Claude desktop app makes it much easier to access Claude directly from your computer. It also supports useful desktop features and integrations, making your workflow faster and more convenient. Let's get started. First, open any web browser. In this tutorial, I'll be using Microsoft Edge, but you can use Google Chrome or any other browser. Go to your preferred search engine, type Claude, and open the official Claude.ai website. Once the website loads, you'll be taken to the sign-in page. You don't need to sign in yet. Simply scroll down and click Download Desktop App. The installer will begin downloading. You can monitor the download progress in the top right corner of your browser. After the download is complete, open File Explorer, select the Downloads folder, and double-click the Claude setup file. If Windows displays a security prompt, click Yes to allow the installation to continue. The installer will automatically install the Claude desktop app. Once the installation is finished, Claude will launch automatically. Click Get Started, then sign in using your preferred method, such as your Google account or another available sign-in option. After signing in, you're all set. Claude Desktop is now installed and ready to use on your Windows PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.